Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to connect Notion to Google Calendar. We're here on Google Calendar and what you want to do is to go over to the left side panel and you can see My Calendars. You want to select one of them, and then here in My Calendars you could hover over the calendar you want, and once you hover over it you can click on the three dots there and then go to Settings. Then you want to scroll down and here you want to choose Access Permissions for Events. So you're going to check the box which says make available to public, say OK. Then next you're going to scroll down to where you have integrate calendar. So this is the calendar ID, the embed code, and you can see some more. We're going to click on the public URL for this calendar for calendar ID, click and copy. Then we're going to go over to Notion. And then right here you want to type /embed space and put in the link which you copied, send, and as you can see it says done. I updated the Google Calendar embed on all of this. So of course you want to click and show changes, and it says updated because we've done this already, so you want to click and show changes, and then you're going to see your calendar here on Notion.